Yeah, KZN Valley Dogs was started by myself and my fiance in a community where we ride our motorbikes, and we saw the need with the dogs and how desperate some of the situations had become and are down here. We started 7 or so years ago.
Hi, my name is Carolyn. I'm with KZN Valley Dogs. We go through about 45 8-kilo bags a week just on feeding, and then around about 2,000 kgs of food a month. We get a donation monthly from the Do More Foundation through Bon Happy Tea of 125 bags, but over and above that, it's the public, generosity of people, friends, schools.
And then we cook about 100 kilos of pets mince every Sunday. We come every Sunday, irrespective, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, birthdays, makes no difference to us. We've also developed a program where we sterilize. We also do treatments. We run a very significant vet bill with the vet of about 40,000 Rand a month, trying to keep them healthy as well. And then the kids are very much a part of what we do. You can see that generally the dogs are brought by the kids for feeding. We do try and give to the community, especially the poorer guys, so that the dogs don't end up with one meal a week. They end up with a little bit else during the week as well.